Hey there! Today, I'm diving into a topic that's got everyone talking: bird flu. How does it spread to humans? What are the symptoms? And most importantly, how can you protect yourself? First up, how does bird flu spread to humans? Bird flu, or avian influenza, primarily affects birds, but certain strains can jump to humans. This usually happens through direct or close contact with infected birds, their droppings, or secretions. Think about poultry farms, live bird markets, and even contaminated surfaces. It's rare, but it can happen, so it's essential to be aware. Now, on to the symptoms. In humans, bird flu symptoms can vary from mild to severe. They often start like regular flu symptoms: fever, cough, sore throat, and muscle aches. But it can escalate quickly to severe respiratory illnesses like pneumonia. Other symptoms might include eye infections, diarrhea, and even neurological changes. It's crucial to seek medical attention if you suspect bird flu. So, how can you protect yourself? Here are some simple yet effective tips. 1. This includes both wild and domesticated birds. Stay clear of poultry farms and live bird markets if you can. 1. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially after handling birds or poultry products. Use hand sanitizer if soap isn't available. 1. Make sure all poultry products are cooked to an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Celsius or 74 degrees Celsius to kill any harmful viruses. 1. Keep an eye on updates from health organizations like the CDC or WHO, especially if you're traveling to areas with known bird flu outbreaks. 1. If you must be in environments with potentially infected birds, use masks, gloves, and protective clothing. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By staying informed and practicing these safety measures, you can significantly reduce your risk of contracting bird flu. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health updates. See you next time.